Eto na ang tapatan ni Dave Ildefonso at Keith Jimenez sa MPBL. Nilampasan lang nila Kai si Jimenez pero sagot naman ang tres ni T-Rex on the other end. May Marquis versus Richard Velcios din sa matchup na to. Eto na rin ang debut game ni Orin Katakutan. Nahirapan ang Sarangani, daming turnovers, durog na durog sa Abra. Na high blood naman ang coach ng Sarangani, kakareklamo, ejected sa game. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Rebound, Joshua David off and running. Good transition defense for the Gripper. Taiwan, the spin, the shot off the glass and in. Even
ano yan, wing yan, scoring guard yan. So walang problema yan.
And this is the defense that you've been raving about, Coach. He splits his charities, it's 5-0.
Interesting matchup right there.
Orin Katakutan, Raven Gonzalez, Ildefonso. Umatake, Ildefonso gets the 2 points.
Real high.
9-0 in terms of fast break points, and this could be 10-11 as Raven Gonzalez finishes on the break after Abra gains possession. Here comes David Ildefonso again. Drops it off Taiwan, just short on the push shot, but gets it back. Reverse this time is good for De La Salle Green Archer. Here's another former Green Archer. David drops it off to Uduba, who gets the do.
So the threes are something that they really are working on, speaking of the Weavers.
Jimenez answers back with
dito sa Gripper.
Taiwan gives it up. Gonzalez had to adjust but still need chance to show his wares in this game by Coach Yong Garcia. But playing so well as a unit, nakikita mo talaga that they've been working hard to really gel and get their chemistry. He loses the basketball. The defense by Abra has been unforgiving, which leads by the living legend. Serrano. Bumubulusok, CJ Austria. And Sarangani was standing around waiting for the basketball to fall into their hands. But this time, Lars Sunga showing that they too could work hard and claim your special offer. They go inside to Yusuf Taha. Easy pickings for the big man. They go inside to Yusuf Taha. Easy pickings for the big man. Di man lamang tumagal ang bola sa Sarangani, which brings another fast break up. Able to get it to Jimenez. Gozum. Sidestep. The score para kay Mo.
He said, back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Lyra. Talagang kailangan na talaga nila gumalaw. He has to overcome, and he has to overcome it quickly, Coach. As quickly as possible.
That's been pretty much how tough it is to go up against the Weavers.
Are looking like a well-oiled machine at this point of the season. But as Enrique enables Abra some chances to try and attempt some shots from the outside.
And important is it's within the flow. Oh, Marquis. For the most part, really made them.
Sunga takes out Batino and Lars Sunga that they are in. They run another play here for Garcia, who late here.
Tsaka nagko-commentate rin siya
doon sa kanyang mga videos. Some new guys still staying, but it's very different from the previous Sarangani squads of past, which even bolstered their backcourt even more. Not like it was already strong enough.
Oh, wow.
He's a guy who has managed to give, as we see Will Lee get a nice pass, got it each and every game, each and every practice. It is no doubt that they are working, trying to show what he can do inside. But Sarangani gets an opportunity here. That's Keith Jimenez. They enter the final 2 minutes of this one. This is only the second game, by the way, of Harley Baldo. And they
call it.
He's like a gazelle.
Oh, gazelle, right. Oh, man.
Wow.